going, keep going. Push, push, push. Pedal, pedal, pedal. Look ahead, pedal. No! Squeeze tight, keep pedaling. Squeeze your legs, keep pedaling. Nice, keep pedaling. Fast feet and you won't fall off. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. It's easy to pedal when you're on gear 1. Nice. Keep it going, don't look left. Don't look down. Keep going, don't look down. Keep going, pedal hard, pedal, 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 pedal. You'll climb over the rocks if you keep pedaling. Nice. Oh, don't go up there. Doing good. Pedal, pedal, pedal. As soon as we can start going uphill, you got to start pedaling again. Nice. Hey? I know. Someone's done a nice job of mowing. We'll whip a snipper in. That's good, you need to up here though. Nice, pedal, 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 pedal. Good, good, good. Keep it going. Dang, don't go off that edge. Don't drink too much, you'll get sick.
And I'm also sweating.
Alright, so am I. That's what happens when you do something.
Outside.
I think we're going up there. See the track right up there?
Yeah. There.
Come on, you're in the lead. I think I need to get a couple of smaller bottles for you.
Yeah.
Alright, roll down, pedal up. Lean forward, pedal, pedal, pedal. Doing good, keep going, keep going, keep going. Pedal, 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 faster, faster. Nice. Keep those legs moving and you won't fall over. Got to keep the legs moving though. That was good. Pedal, pedal, pedal. Nice and easy now. goodness. Keep pedal, 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 pedal. No, 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 no. I'm coming past then. Got to keep pedaling, mate. Should have brought your hat. Yep. You can twist up one gear if you want it to be harder. Yep, and pedal. Going uphill, pedal, pedal hard. I think you lose control when you stand up. The idea is you push your legs down instead of standing up. Twist down one more time. Or up. No, way too many. Twist down.
It's full.
Too late. Keep going, pedal. Pedal, 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 pedal. Jump up, jump up. You're good. Come up here and I'll change your gear again. Doing good. That was a tricky section. Pedal fast. Lean forward and use your front tire. Turn. Keep going, not that far. Come on, recover. Not enough pedaling. Front wheel is getting away from you. It's all flat here. You can just push off and roll. Stop at the top. Ant's nest. Keep going straight. Remember, lean forward, squeeze your handlebars and make sure they stay straight. And keep those legs moving quick. Nah, what are you doing, bro? It's flat. Lean forward, stay on track, pedal. Lean forward, stay on track and pedal. Well, I'm officially itchy. Lean forward, stay on track, pedal. Stay on track, pedal, pedal, pedal. Nice, stay on track. Keep the wheel on the track. Nice. Keep it on track.
Ow.
Gotcha. Come on, middle of the track, away from the rocks. Keep going, get on track, mate, get on track. So much easier when your front wheel's in the right place. Come on, pedal, lean forward, stay in the middle. Good. Yes, yes, yes. Nah, where are you going? On track. Remember, keep your wheel in the middle, wheel in the middle. Keep going, wheel in the middle. I don't know where you're going. Come on, jump back on.